Hello, welcome to the day 6 of 30 days code challenge. So, day 6 is let's review. That's the problem name is let's review. So, task is given a string s of length n that is indexed from 0 to n minus 1, n minus, yes, n minus 1. Print its even indexed and odd indexed character as a two space separated strings on a single line. Okay. Note 0 is considered as an even index. Okay, so this is example a b d e a d b e c f. So a b c even index, so print over here. D e f is odd indexed characters, so print over here. Okay, so this is our task. Okay, and further in our sample test we can see that we also need to take number of test cases. Okay, and this is test case. Okay, so first we need to take test case. Okay, int t equal to first make object of scanner class. Loop our the variable test while test minus minus is greater than 0. Okay, now we take a string object str and take input next. Okay, now we take a variable len which take input as str dot length. Length is a built-in function, okay, in Java. Now we need to loop through int I equal to 0. I is less than len I plus plus. Okay, and we need to create two string object move s1 and s2 because we need to produce two string, that's why. Okay, now if I is even means model of 2 gives 0, then it is even. Now what we need to do is s1 plus equal to str dot char at I. Char, it is again a built-in function which gives you the letter at the ith position. Else means it is odd, then what we need to do is then we add the letter into the string s2. Okay, str dot char at I. So we now have two string s1 and s2. Let's try to print those strings. System dot out dot print ln s1 plus two space separated s2. Let's try to run this code for no error. Okay, your output. Okay, only a single space separate. Okay, not double, although they are given two space separated, but sample test case 0 is passed. Let's try to submit the code over here. Hope our solution is accepted. Yeah, so our solution is accepted. Congratulations message is shown over here. So this is our solution. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding the solution, regarding anything, then please do comment. And if you like our series, then please do subscribe our channel and like our video also, and share this series to your friends if they need. This will definitely help them. Okay, and this series definitely help you too in cracking the coding round of any product service based companies online assessments. Okay, thank you very much for seeing out my video.